Hey Afnimazing family! Finally, I completed my training on site and now Afni provided me with my work at home kit. Join me unbox and see what's inside. Because of this work at home kit, I know that my safety truly matters at Afni. For interested applicants, take note that a work from home arrangement is possible depending on your account, role, performance, internet speed, and secure workspace. But before this, everyone needs to complete on-site training. For our kit, we have our monitor, a CPU, a keyboard, a mouse, and other accessories like webcam, headset, and Ethernet cord. It's even more Afnimazing that Afni provides internet and electricity allowances every month. If you want to be part of the Afni family, just click the Apply Now button below to begin your #Afnimazing application.